my name is Lisa Davis. I am the medical nutritionist therapist for Damien Ministries. Today, we're going to whip up a non-cooking dish, easy bean salad. Sometimes in the hot summer days, we just do not want to cut that stove on. Today, we are not going to cut that stove on. We're making an easy bean salad. My easy bean salad consists of 5 different beans of my choice. I have white beans, black beans, pinto beans, garbanzo beans, which is also called chickpeas, and kidney beans. We're going to use a little salt and pepper to taste, olive oil or some type of Italian oil of your choice, red peppers, onion, and corn. All right, let's get started. Simple and easy. So beans are really healthy for us. So here's my white beans. So basically you want to rinse all of your beans and then drain them. So they've been rinsed and drained. So here are my white beans. And it doesn't matter what brand beans you use. Here are my black beans. Beans have lots of antioxidants, fiber, high in protein, folic acid. Here are my pinto beans. Now, if you don't like one of the beans, you can always alternate. If you want black eyed peas, if you want pinto beans, butter beans, you can use whatever beans of your choice. Garbanzo beans and kidney beans. These are just dark red kidney beans. They also have light red kidney beans. They have the small red beans. So again, whatever bean of your choice. Now I'm using about a half a cup of red onion. If you don't have red onion, you can always use green onion, yellow onion. My preference is red onion because it's so high in vitamin C, so high in antioxidants. So my red onion, some onion, about a half a cup of onion. You can use Vidalia onion, white onion, yellow, red onion. And then this is some sweet corn that I thawed out. You can use white corn, yellow corn. Now, if corn is hard to digest in your system, then we eliminate the corn. So we're using about another half a cup of corn. Look at all these wonderful colors. Isn't that beautiful? And again, beans are very high nutritious, low budget food, okay? Now we want to use about a cup or more, depending on your taste and depending on how much liquid you like in your bean salad. So this is about a half a cup here. I know I'm always eyeballing it. All right, a little black pepper. You can use cayenne pepper, but I'm choosing to use a little black pepper and a little sea salt for taste. All right, now this is a really nice dish to take to that family cookout this summer. We can eat this with tortilla chips. You can eat this actually as a roll. You can roll it in the tortilla and have a bean tortilla, a lettuce wrap. This is a very versatile dish. And if you want to have those meatless Wednesdays or meatless Mondays, try this easy bean salad. Very filling, very healthy for us. Lots of benefits in beans. Now, when I make this, my children like, you don't put enough dressing. So I'm going to add another splash of my Italian dressing or oil and vinegar, your choice. Now, if you get a little gassy when eating beans, you can eat, take those gas or bean, they call Beano tablets, and that will help to eliminate some of the gas. Alrighty. So see how quick and easy this was, guys? Now you want to cover this and you can refrigerate this for a couple of days. It will last in your refrigerator. But again, eat this as a snack or as your main course. Today we're going to eat it with some pita chips. Pita chips. I have pita chips here. So we're going to plate our bean salad. Now a lot of times I like my blue corn chips or blue tortilla chips. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, here we go. Nice, healthy, again, easy bean salad. No stove to worry about. quick and easy, nice cookout food, and healthy as well. So enjoy your easy bean salad. See you the next time. Bye bye.